Hello, welcome back by Hopster Coding. Today we're gonna learn something about switch statements. It's basically the same as if statements, but if you have a lot of the same if statements which hold the same variable, you can use switch statements. So I'm gonna create a new class which is called switch statements. Switch statement. Just like that. Public static void main string args. Don't misspell that. So what is a switch statement? Say you have a number, int number is equal to 5, and you want to check that number, or let's say we want to check the day of the week. So you want to make a string is equal string day is equal to Sunday. But now you want to check if it's Sunday, so you can do if day dot equals Sunday, do the following code, else if. Well, you can check it all the way, just a Monday or something, just Monday, Thursday, you can check them all if you want. So there's another way to do that. You can just do switch, then you want to put the variable in there what you want to check and do that. So we can do then if the case is Monday, create the string Monday, come on, Monday, we want to do some code, then we have to break the loop. So you want to say system.out.print line, it's Monday. Or I'm just gonna copy this. I'm just gonna paste a few times. Let's say Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, just like that, and you're gonna say it's Saturday and Sunday day, and it's Thursday. So now if you're gonna run this code, you're just gonna create a string which is Sunday, then you're gonna check this with actually you're gonna say put there in Sunday. So if Sunday is equal to Monday, do this. If it's equal to Saturday, do this. If it's Sunday, do this. If it's Saturday, do this. So if you're gonna run this piece of code, I'm just gonna run this. Run as Java application. It's Sunday because it's found the Sunday. Let's say after all this case, you can do all it a default. So if it doesn't find anything, just execute the default code. So we're just gonna say day not found. Day not found. Let's say we have Tuesday, but it's not right in there. I'm just gonna auto format it. So, and we're gonna run this code. It's gonna say day not found because it's checked all the way to the bottom and it's not found. So probably you're thinking, why is the break state? Why is this the break? So well, it's gonna check the case Monday, and then what's behind it, below it, it's gonna execute. It's gonna execute this, then coming to the break, and it sees, oh, we have to get out of this loop because we already found what we have. If you delete this, it's just gonna execute this code too. So if let's say you want to make it Monday, it's gonna say it is Monday, it is Saturday, just because it just go to this code to there, and then it sees, oh, I have to break. It doesn't keep the case. It's not going to check this case anymore. So if you have multiple stuff, you can do it that way if it's needed. But if you need a break, don't forget to place it because it's pretty important. Um, yeah, this is basically how switch cases works. So let's say we want to check after a weekend or so. A weekend. And case weekend. And you're gonna say I'm just gonna delete that right there. I just don't want it there. I just want it here. Case weekend. So what it's basically gonna do now, if you come at weekend, it's gonna say it's Saturday, it's Sunday, just because it skips all this code. Oh yeah, if you leave the break right there, it's just gonna stop at the break. That's how it works. It's well, with switch case can be useful in some ways. Actually, you can just use the if statements too. Only the switch case is a bit more readable. So yeah, mess around with it. Say what you think about it. Do you like it? Do you like it not? Leave a comment below. And like and subscribe, and see you in my next tutorial.